Hello and congratulations. You're about to attend your first IPMI annual conference, and I'm here to provide you with a brief introduction and a few tips. Thanks for taking the time to listen. Oh yeah, I'm Brad Cook. The IPMI badge is going to be your ticket to enter all the events and receptions, etc. throughout the entire conference. It's going to be waiting for you at the registration desk. So task number 1 is to visit the IPMI reception as soon as you can after you arrive at the Hyatt. Here are the days and the times that registration is going to be open. Be sure to wear your badge to all the IPMI functions because there will be checkpoints throughout the conference where IPMI staff or security personnel are going to be looking for these badges. Next thing to do, sign up for the IPMI conference app. Search the Apple Store or the Android App Store for IPMI and scroll until you see a white IPMI icon and a dark blue background. Looks like this. It'll have the words IPMI underneath it. Download it and start exploring. Okay, let's get serious. One of the most important things to remember is to be sure to attend the IPMI experience for first-time attendees. That can be on Saturday, June 8th from 4:30 to 6 p.m. on the Grand View Terrace. This welcome event will be sponsored by my employer, Sabin Metal Corporation, and you'll meet dozens of members, old and new. The whole IPMI staff will be there, and you're going to get a lot more detail on everything else I'm going to mention from here on. So, what about the dress code? For daytime, late afternoon, or evening events, we're just talking resort casual. It's basically collared shirts and trousers. Session rooms can get a little bit chilly, so you might want to bring a sweater or a jacket. Afternoon outside events, you might even want to wear shorts because it does get a little warm in Orlando in June. Your conference fee includes all evening cocktail receptions and every other sponsored event, except for the President's Reception and the Awards Banquet on the evening of Tuesday, June 11th. Food and drinks at these receptions are all included. If you do attend the Tuesday night banquet, the dress is semi-formal. For example, a business suit, and the tie is optional. And ladies, usually something like a cocktail dress. You didn't think that was going to happen, did you? Every one of the presentations that you're going to see at the technical sessions can be emailed to you after the conference. You're welcome to take notes and even photos of individual slides during those sessions, but full video is not permitted. And all the registered attendees are going to show up on a list that's posted on the IPMI website. But if you want to have the full up-to-the-minute attendee list, just send an email. mail@ipmi.org. So safe travels, and I'll look forward to seeing you in June.